Today I'm going to be showing you what happens if you don't give Ellie the water, because people always like blur it out or something, put an emoji on it, which I did because censor, there's going to be, dying. So yeah, let's do it. So we're going to give him the drink. He dies. Let's give the poor dog it. Give her. And then look, she also dies. And